afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a request to you, ma'am, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
What
ma'am.
Who was requesting me?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I have a request to you, ma'am.
Beta, who? Give your name, beta.
Ma'am, I am Harshvardhan.
Harshvardhan. What happened, beta?
मैम मेरा जो ये फोन है मैम उसके नंबर हमारा NEPS 6 का ग्रुप है मैम उसमें ऐड करने हैं क्योंकि मैम मम्मी का मोबाइल मैम मम्मी बाहर जाती है तो मैम मैं PDF नहीं देख पाता क्योंकि मोबाइल उनके पास होता है इसलिए मैम मैं PDF देख नहीं पाता हूँ इनकम्प्लीट रह जाता है मैम मेरा
Beta, send your number which you want to add in the group. Okay, I will send it on reception. Okay.
Yes ma'am, I am sending. Wait ma'am, I am sending.
Okay, beta, send also, but during the lecture I'm not able to do it. After lecture, I will send it on reception. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
What, ma'am?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what we have to do today?
Beta, we will do geography. Okay? I have already told you in our previous lecture that in our next lecture we will do the geography. Open your
Ma'am,
geography.
we start geography today. Ma'am, I don't have to do that. Ma'am, excuse me. Today we start geography.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I
geography.
have no book. Ma'am, I do not have book. Geography chapter number 1. की book नहीं है. Ma'am,
Beta, listen.
I don't finish.
Don't have. Listen. जिसके पास नहीं है बेटा, please purchase it. Okay? If you don't have, you can Xerox from your friend. आप अपने friend से लेकर Xerox करवा सकते हो. If it is not available at Anand Stationery. अभी आ चुकी थी आनंद स्टेशनरी पे बेटा, मैं भी आनंद स्टेशनरी से ही लेकर आई हूँ टीचर्स कॉपी. ओके, पहले नहीं थी वहां पर, बट नाउ इट्स अवेलेबल. और अब खत्म हो गई हो तो पता नहीं. अगर जिसके पास नहीं है, यू कैन जेरॉक्स इट. ओके, ओके बेटा. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट अवर लेक्चर विद गायत्री मंत्र. Okay, so everyone ready for Gayatri Mantra? Join your hand, everyone. On your video, beta, turn on your video and join your hand. Everyone, turn on your video. Beta, I'm waiting. Everyone, turn on your video. Everyone, turn your video, beta, turn on your video. Join your hand. Close your eyes. Join your hand, beta. And start.
Clap your hands. Ma'am.
તને ઓલા વાત કરવા ગયા હતા ને સ્કૂલે ઈ મેમ છે.
Okay, now we will do the exercise.
Ma'am, ये वाली book में.
Okay, everyone, yes, this is your geography book, beta. Okay, now everyone ready for exercise? Join you. Everyone, hold your ear. Hold your ear. Yes, beta, this is your geography book. Now ready for exercise. Srishti, okay, beta? Everyone, hold your ear and pull it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, done. Okay, now thought of the day. Who will give the thought of the day? Okay, Delphi has given. Do not wait for tomorrow because tomorrow does not wait for you. Therefore, tomorrow always tomorrow. Okay, हमें कभी भी कल पे कोई भी काम नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए क्योंकि कल कभी भी हमारा वेट नहीं करता. Okay, so today's thought is do not wait for tomorrow because tomorrow does not wait for you. Therefore, tomorrow always tomorrow. कल हमेशा कल ही रहता है. Okay. Okay, one thought for day only, beta. Okay, keep it for tomorrow. Okay, Tamanna, Vedant, and Janil. Okay, beta. So finally, our today's thought is do not wait for tomorrow because tomorrow does not wait for you. Therefore, tomorrow always tomorrow. Okay, done, beta. So now we will start our lecture. Everyone, open your geography textbook. Those you have. Okay. Rest student, don't worry. I will share the screen of your textbook. Okay. So open your chapter number 1. Okay, page number 1. Chapter 1, page number 1. Okay, I am going to give you the name. Yes, beta, this is geography book. This is geography book. Okay, beta. Okay. Okay, beta, it's okay, Srushti. This is your geography book. Now, turn off your video, beta. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. Okay, then I will tell you the learning objective of this chapter. Just a minute. Just a minute, beta. Okay, so this is our first chapter, geography. Okay, the Earth in the solar system. Our first chapter is the Earth in the solar system. Okay, so what are the learning objective of this chapter? Learning objectives are Earth, Moon, celestial bodies, and the solar system. Okay, which are the learning objectives of this chapter? Earth, Moon, celestial bodies, and the solar system. Okay, after reading this chapter, student, you will be able to understand about the function of our solar system, and you will be get the knowledge about our Earth, okay, and Moon and other celestial bodies which we see in the sky. Okay, So these are the learning objectives and learning points. Okay, everyone. So now we will start reading of this chapter. I am giving the name. Who will start reading? You have learnt about this chapter in your previous lecture, also in your previous classes, and also in your EVS about the solar system. Okay, so here is Hensi Vora. Hensi Vora, start reading this chapter, beta. Read first two paragraphs.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading, beta.
Yes, ma'am. From
So
first chapter,
you
ma'am.
don't have book. Yes, beta. First chapter of geography.
Yes. The chapter 1. The Earth in the solar system. How wonderful it is to watch the sky after sunset. One would first notice one or two bright dots shining in the sky. Soon you would see the number increasing. You cannot count them anymore. The whole sky is filled with tiny shining objects. Some are bright, others dim. It seems as if the sky is studded with diamonds. They all appear to be twinkling, but if you look at them carefully, you will notice that some of them do not twinkle as others do. They simply glow without any flicker, just as the moon shines. Along with these bright objects, you may also see the moon on most of the days. It may, however, appear at different times, in different shapes and different positions. You can see the full moon only once in about a month's time. It is full moon night or...
Hensi, listen me firstly, beta. You have to stop. When your line will end, you have to take a breath. Okay, like this you read. You can see the full moon only once in about a month's time. अब यहाँ पर full stop है, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा break लेना है. Then start. It is full moon. Okay, now start reading.
It is full moon night or Purnima, a moon night or Amavasya. On this day you can watch the night sky best, provided it is a clear night. Do you wonder why can't we see the moon and all those bright tiny objects during daytime? It is because the very bright light of the sun does not allow us to see all these bright objects of the night sky. The moon, the sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. So,
Okay, beta. Okay, beta, Hensi, done. Let
Yes,
me
ma'am.
explain here. Okay, beta, let me explain till here. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
what is our chapter? The Earth in the solar system. Okay, the Earth in the solar system, it means we will read that what is the position of Earth in our solar system. Firstly we will read about that. What are the things which we see in the night sky. Okay, and how these objects. And then we will read about the solar system, what is called solar system, and then we will read about what are the members of solar system and what is our Earth position in the solar system and how our Earth is different to other planets. Okay, so in first paragraph what is written here, how wonderful it is to watch how wonderful it is to watch in the sky after sunset. It's saying that, and one would first notice one or two bright dots shining in the sky. Soon you would see the number increasing. This line is saying that when we see sky just after sunset, it look very wonderful. Okay, it make us surprised. Okay, firstly, just after sunset, when we see in the sky, we see some dots bright in the sky or shining in the sky. But after some time, after 1 hour, you can able to see that these dots are increasing. in number. It means all the shining dots are increased. You cannot count them anymore. You can try hardly, but you are not able to count all the shining dots or brightening twinkling dots in the night sky. Okay, and you see that the whole sky filled with teeny shining objects. Some are bright, other dim. Oh, okay. So what you observe, that some of the dots which you see in the night sky are very bright. Okay, and some are dim. It means some are very bright and some are shining lightly. Okay, so these dots are, the dot words is used here are for the stars. Okay, all the stars. Okay, dot word is used here for all the stars which we see in the night sky after sunset. Okay, it seems as if the sky is studded with diamond. Okay, ऐसा लगता है कि जो studded means हमारे स्काई में बहुत सारे डायमंड्स फैले हुए हैं या बिखरे हुए हैं. ओके, एंड दे ऑल अपीयर टू ट्विंकलिंग एंड ऑल आर सीमिंग टू ट्विंकलिंग. ट्विंकलिंग मीन्स धीरे धीरे एक बार ट्विंकल करके फिर वापस ट्विंकलिंग करना. ओके, डिम twinkling. But if you look at them carefully, you will notice that some of them do not twinkle as others do. Okay, all dots are not twinkling. Okay, some of them are twinkling and some of them are not twinkling. Okay, but those are twinkling are our stars and those are not twinkling like as our moon. Okay, in the night sky we see moon and stars. So stars are twinkling but moons are not twinkling. They simply glow without any flicker, just as the moon shines. Okay, some of the shining bodies are only glow, not twinkling like as our moon. Okay, now here is along with. So our first paragraph gives the introduction of our night sky, that how looks night sky. Okay, which things we see in the night sky? We see the shining objects, some of them twinkling and some of them only just glow. Okay, along with, now I'm going to explain the second paragraph. Along with these bright objects, you may also see the moon on most of the days. Okay, it may however appear at different times in different shapes and different positions. Okay, along with the shining dots which are our stars, we see the moon which do not twinkle, it simply glow. Okay, and we see moon in different shapes in different times in the sky. Okay, it change its shape. It means moon change its faces. Okay, and you can see the full moon only once in about a month's time. As you have learnt about the phases of the moon in your 3rd standard EVS also, and also in the SS also, in the first chapter of SS in 1st standard you have learnt the different phases of the moon. Okay, and you can see the full moon only once in about a month's time. It is full moon night or Purnima. Okay, as you know that our moon has different phases and it has a full moon in a month, and this is called Purnima. Okay, and our later the Purnima, you cannot see it is at all. आप पूर्णिमा के बाद मून को फिर फुल मून में नहीं देखोगे. It started to decreasing. Okay, the phases of moon started to decreasing after the full moon. Okay, and then new moon night will come, which is known as the Amavasya. At the day of Amavasya, you are not able to see the moon. Okay, and just after the Amavasya, the moon, new moon started to form. Okay, नया moon बनना शुरू हो जाता है धीरे धीरे. You can see the faces of moon in this picture. Okay, this is not given in your textbook. I took this picture from other textbook. Okay, you can see that this is full moon. Okay, and here is new moon. यहाँ पर कोई भी moon नहीं है. This is called new moon. It means Amavasya. In Amavasya, we are not able to see the moon. Okay, and after that new moon started. Here is full moon. Full moon के बाद moon धीरे धीरे कम होना शुरू हो जाता है. ओके, इंक्रीज, इसकी शेप डिक्रीज होने लगती है, घटने लगती है. ओके, आफ्टर देन इट्स become like this first quarter and waxing crescent. Okay, first quarter के बाद धीरे धीरे it's come in this position, waxing crescent, and after then it's new moon. New moon is called Amavasya, when we are not able to see the moon. And just after the Amavasya, moon started to increasing its phase. We will see this waxing crescent, and after then last quarter, and then it's known as the waning gibbous. Okay, and just after it we see the full moon. और इस तरीके से ये पूरा प्रोसेस चलता रहता है. Okay, 15 days moon take time to decrease its shape, and 15 days moon take time to increase its shape. Okay, so what is Amavasya and what is Purnima, all are able to understand. Have you any doubt in Amavasya and Purnima beta? Have you any doubt? Have you any doubt? Beta, moon is also made up of dust, stones, like as our earth. Harshvardhan, beta, give this number in my personal WhatsApp. Okay, beta, Harshvardhan. Srushti, you have a doubt, beta, and Pari has a doubt also. Just a minute, beta. Srushti, just a minute. Okay, Srushti, what is your doubt, beta?
मैम हमको ये फर्स्ट चैप्टर का जियोग्राफिक नोटबुक में हमको बनानी है, फर्स्ट पेज बनाना है.
यस बेटा, फ्रंट पेज बनाना ही है, सभी में बनाना है. ओके, नाउ परी, व्हाट इज योर डाउट बेटा?
Ma'am, my doubt is that how moon was formed, and everyone how knows that moon changes every day.
Okay, every day. Beta, it's happened with the direction of moon, earth and sun. Okay. Firstly, we will read this page, and this process I will explain you with activity tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, how was moon formed?
Moon formed. Beta, moon bhi
Yes, ma'am.
in your third standard maybe you have learnt about the universe, in which you learned that a big explosion was happened in our universe, and after that reason many teeny particles were spread in our universe, and after some time these particles come together and come together to each other. ओके, वो सारे पार्टिकल एक दूसरे के पास आकर एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ने लगे, एंड आफ्टर देन our planets form, and also the moon formed. Okay, so moon is also made up of dust particles and stones, like as our earth and other planets. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is beta?
मैम, हमें ये जियोग्राफी, हिस्ट्री और सिविक्स के पार्ट एक ही नोटबुक में बनाने हैं ना, तीनों के?
Yes, you have to make 3 parts in a one notebook. Otherwise, when school will open, your bag will overload. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम मैंने तीनों अलग अलग बनाई.
It's okay, beta. If you can carry, you can make it. But it will easier to you to make 3 part in one notebook. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay. Okay, beta. Now we will start reading the next paragraph.
ma'am,
Okay, beta. Yes,
ma'am, may I read?
Srushti. Okay, beta.
Yes.
Start reading. Just a minute. Srushti, just a minute. Okay, Srushti, start reading, beta.
Ma'am, where?
The next paragraph. Do you wonder why cannot?
Okay, ma'am, okay. Do you wonder why can't we see the moon and all those bright tiny objects during daytime? It is because the very bright light of the sun does not allow us to see all these bright objects of the night sky. The sun, the moon, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light which they emit in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is a star. Countless twinkling stars in the night sky are similar to the sun, but we do get heat or light, and they look so tiny because they are very, very far from us. So you
Okay, beta.
must.
Okay, Srishti, beta, let me explain till here. Okay, then we will read next paragraph. Okay. So as you know, that in the night sky we see the stars and moons. Okay. And do you wonder why cannot we see the moon and all those bright tiny objects during the daytime? डू यू वॉन्डर, क्या कभी आपने ऐसा सोचा और आपको सरप्राइज हुए कि वी आर एबल टू सी स्टार्स एंड मून्स इन द नाइट बट वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी स्टार्स एंड मून्स इन द डे टाइम? ओके, व्हाई दिस हैपन? इट इज बिकॉज द very bright light of the sun does not allow us to see all these bright objects of the night skies. Okay, as you know, skies are very teeny, but it doesn't mean कि वो जो stars are very teeny, but it doesn't mean कि stars बहुत छोटे हैं. Stars are very big. Even some stars are big, many times of our sun also, but those are farthest to the earth. Okay, those are farthest to the earth. That is the reason all the stars are looking as a teeny shape and looking like as twinkling, but actually all the stars are brightening like as our sun. Our sun is also a star, but it is nearer star to the earth. धरती के सबसे पास वाला स्टार है हमारा सन. That is why it's look as big in a shape, and we are saying it sun. We are saying it sun, not a star. It gives us heat and light. Okay, sun is very nearest to our earth. That is the reason we are receiving the heat and brightness of the sun. But other stars are also having their brightness, heatness and light, but they are farthest to the earth. That is why their brightness and light do not able to come on the earth. Okay, and that is the reason in the daytime, because sun is very nearer to our earth, so the light and brightness of the sun do not allow to other stars brightness and sun to spread here. Okay, so we are not able to see the other stars and moon in the daytime, because in the daytime our sun is very bright, its lightnings are very bright, so this makes unable to see the stars and moon in the night, in the day sky. But in the night we are not able to see the sun. Okay, sun, the part of the earth which is away from the sun, where is a night. As you know that how day and night happen. See, day and night, how the day and night happen. See, this is our sun. This is our sun and this is moon. Okay, and this part of earth is facing moon, so here is day. Okay, and this part is not facing moon, so here is night. So the sun light is not able to come in this black part, so we are able to see here the moons and stars. Okay, but in this part we are not able to see moon and star because of the present here is the present or appearance of the sunlight and brightness. That is the reason we are not able to see stars and moons in the day time. Okay, everyone. Now next is okay. Now the sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Okay. Each and every object which shining in the sky known as the celestial bodies. Okay. Celestial bodies means shining object. Okay. Shining object of the sky known as the celestial bodies. So which are the which are the things which shine in the night sky? This is the moon. Okay, moon, stars and sun. Okay, sun is also a star, so we can say the sun, moon. Okay, sun is written here as a star. Sun is also known as the star. That is why sun is written here. So don't be confused कि sun तो हमें सिर्फ दिन में दिखाई देता है. Okay, all the stars are sun and our sun is also star. Okay, so star, moon and all those objects shining in the night sky known as the celestial bodies. Okay, everyone, clear about the celestial bodies? Now some celestial bodies are very big and hot. Okay, some celestial bodies are very big and hot like as our sun. Okay, they are made up of gases. As you know, sun is made up of two gases, hydrogen and helium. Okay, they have their own heat. Hydrogen and helium gases are continue burning in the sun. Okay, that is why it gives us heat and light. Okay, and they have their own heat and light which they emit in large amounts. Okay, these celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is a star. Okay, the sun is also a star. I think you all are clear about the sun and star. You have already learnt about the sun and star, why sun is called star and why all stars are recognized as a sun. You have learnt in your 3rd standard, 4th standard, okay, and also in your 5th standard. So I think you don't have any confusion between sun and stars. Okay, have you any doubt till here, beta? Have you any doubt till here? Everyone is clear about the sun and stars? Okay, no confusion, no doubt. Okay, so we will come back on our screen of textbook. Okay, so now countless. Now the last paragraph. Countless twinkling stars in the night sky are similar to the sun. I have explained you that all the stars are similar to the sun. All stars are sun. They have gases and those helium and hydrogen gases are burning in the stars and they have also their own heat and light, but all the stars except the sun are farthest to our earth. That is the reason they are seem to twinkling. Okay, and we are not able to receive their heat and light because it's spread उनकी वो इतने दूर है हमारे अर्थ से कि उनकी लाइट और हीटनेस हमारे पास पहुंचते पहुंचते स्प्रेड हो जाती है, बहुत कम हो जाती है और हम उसे देख नहीं पाते. ओके, नाउ बट वी डू नॉट फील देयर हीट और लाइट. ओके, as you know, all the stars are like a sun, but we are not able to feel their heat and light. I have gave you the reason, because they are farthest to us, and they look so teeny because they are very very far from us. That is the reason, because they are farthest. जो चीज हमसे बहुत दूर होगी वो हमें बहुत छोटी दिखाई देगी. Okay, so this is the reason they are looks like farthest to us. Okay everyone, so we have completed our first paragraph. Okay, tomorrow I will explain you with activity how moon changes shape.
Ma'am, today's homework.
Beta, I'm going to ask the question between this first paragraph. We have a time. Just wait, then I will give you homework and I will take your attendance. Okay, so everyone is ready for the oral question of this paragraph which you have learnt now. Okay, so now your question is, what is called celestial body?
Ma'am, can I speak?
No, beta, write in chat box. Everyone, you can write in short.
Ma'am, but मेरा
Everyone, write in chat box. I'm seeing, beta. What are celestial bodies? Which type of object rushes? Celestial bodies are object, but which type of bodies? Objects or bodies? Darsh, beta, अभी time नहीं हुआ. I have to take your attendance also. Including sun and moon, all objects shining in the night sky known as the celestial bodies. Okay, you can say the shining object in the night sky known as the celestial bodies. You can give the answer in very short in your chat box. All the shining objects in the night sky known as the celestial bodies. Yes, done. Okay, now all shining object in the night sky known as the celestial bodies. Okay, now what is sun? Next question is, what is sun? What is sun? Yes, sun is a star. Name the gases which are burning in a sun. As you know, sun and stars all are hot burning ball of gases. So give the name of the gases. Give the name of gases, helium and hydrogen. Yes, helium and hydrogen. Two gases are burning in the stars or sun, helium and hydrogen. Helium and hydrogen gases are burning. Okay. Now what is called? What is the another name of Amavasya? What is the another name of Amavasya? All are giving correct answer. What is the another name of Amavasya? Okay, new moon. All are giving correct answer. New moon. Amavasya means new moon. Okay, and what is the another name of Purnima? What is the another name of Purnima? Okay, full moon. Full moon. Okay. Now next question is, on which day we are not able to see the moon? Purnima or Amavasya? On which day we are not able to see the moon? On Purnima or Amavasya? Give the name, beta. On which day? Okay, correct answer, Amavasya. At the day of Amavasya, we are not able to see the moon. Okay, now give after which day moon started decreasing its shape. After which day moon started decreasing its shape. Yes, correct answer, Purnima. After Purnima, it means just after full moon, moon started to decrease its shape. Okay, now next question. Do all heavenly bodies twinkle? Do all heavenly bodies twinkle in the night sky? No. Some are twinkles like star. Moons are not twinkling in the sky. Okay? Correct answer. Answer is no. Okay. Why can we not see the moon during the day? Next question is, why can we not see the moon during the day? Why cannot we see the moon during the day? Okay, because of the sunlight. You have to complete your worksheet on page number 19. Question number 1 to 7. Okay, it's a geography part on page number 19. Page number 19, 1 to 7 question in your worksheet. In your worksheet, okay beta? And next question is, this is, now see, this is your worksheet on page number 19. Complete question number, still question number 7. Okay? और मैंने जो क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं उसके आंसर वो क्वेश्चन सेम यही है. Okay? So I have explained you the answer and you are able to give the answer. Now, can the sun be called a star? Next question is, can the sun be called a star? Yes. Okay. Now next is, give the two characteristic of a star. Give the two characteristic of a star. It means you have to say that how are stars? Two characteristics of the star. Harshvardhan, what happened beta? Just a minute. Stars are so far. Okay. And next, you have to give two characteristics. Just a minute, Harshvardhan beta. Yes, what happened beta, Harshvardhan?
Ma'am, you tell that you send in my WhatsApp for ma'am, but I have not your number and I in our NPS group, but NPS group in my mom's phone. My mom's phone is not my my home.
Beta, you send me on my personal WhatsApp. मेरा जो नंबर है ना WhatsApp का, you have?
हाँ.
हाँ, उस पे भेजना है.
नो मैम, मेरे पास आपका व्हाट्सएप का पर्सनल नंबर नहीं है मैम.
Okay, लिखो बेटा. I'm writing in chat box. Okay, note down it. 88
ओके
Harshvardhan.
ओके मैम.
88 66
वेट मैम.
0.
वेट मैम. 78
No, 88 660
88 660
85570.
85570. मैम डन.
Done? You can see in
Yeah,
chat
yes,
box.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have copied the number.
Okay, beta.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome, beta. Now what happened, Shubham? Just a minute, Shubham. Yes, beta, Shubham.
मैम हमको मैम मैंने तीनों बुक है ना अलग अलग बनाएगी, चलेगा?
It's okay, beta.
मैम एक बुक में मेरा नहीं हो रहा था.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, so you have to complete your question number 1 to 7 in worksheet, page number 19, okay, in geography part. Okay, everyone? If you have doubts in today's topic, you have to write down in your notebook and you have to ask in tomorrow lecture. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everyone. So now take care. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Goodbye, beta.
Ma'am.